Okay, here I am at my cousin Ryan's house for Easter. This has nothing to do with toys. As that, he lives in a nice little home upstate. He has a very huge backyard. All this is his backyard. So big, in fact, that he was able to construct his own little chicken run, where he owns 6 chickens and a rooster. We had this pretty brown one. And then we had the funny looking bald ones. And his big brave rooster. Hey there. Ham it up for the camera, little guy. Yeah. They can be quite fascinating to just watch. They just kind of stroll around. Occasionally they dig at the ground. I think he's trying to identify what this shiny thing in my hand is. Because you know birds with shiny things. Hey, look at the shiny bird. Here. Yeah, he does that when you get close. I'm trying to get in the crow, but he doesn't really seem to want to right now.
Go in.
Eh?
Go in.
Wait, there's a human entrance?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, sweet, there's a human entrance. There we go. Now you don't have to see them through the fence. And then this video ends with me lying on the ground screaming as they peck at me. Hello there, chickens. Look at me up close and personal with you. I am Wake Angel 2001, Dances with Chickens. Eh. They're trying to make them scared. Ooh, that one just pooped. Yeah, that's unpleasant. Okay. Seeing one of them poop makes me no longer want to be in here. Hey, chickens. One last close-up of Mr. Rooster. Yeah, run away. Okay. Well, this was a fun experience. Ryan just threw some corn in there.
What the name is the corn?
I understand that these funny bald ones are called turkins.
Yep. That one put in Pancho. Pancho? Yeah. Okay, you'll be Pancho. Because Pancho is a real, it's a tough. He have plenty woman. Yeah. He got about 2, 4. He has 6 chickens.
Well, you heard it from my uncle. The rooster's name is now Pancho. But he lets his women eat their corn in peace. I half expected the rooster to just kind of bogart all the corn first.
You open one, open what? The egg? Yeah.
Look at him peck it. Yes, eat your corn. Eat your delicious corn. Such docile little creatures.
You piss them off.
Well, why would I do that?
You piss them off, they'll come straight at you, they'll start clawing at you and pecking you.
Well, yeah, but anything would do that. You have to be an idiot to do that. Wake Angel 2001 is not an idiot. I do not antagonize smaller animals. Especially... Well, what's up with you? I don't think that one likes cameras.
Camera shy.
She screeched at me. I didn't know chickens could make that noise. Okay, I thought I was done with the chickens, but just when I gave up recording on them and walked away, Pancho starts crowing. I'm going to see if I can catch him on film. Excellent work, Pancho. Want to do that one more time while facing the camera? Good boy. Yep, That's what my cousin lives with. Yeah, the peace and tranquility of upstate New York.